Today I'll show you 5 new trading robots I started using recently. All of them are suitable for small trading accounts. Stay with me until the end because one of them is really outstanding. But the first one, surprisingly, is a free expert advisor. And this one is called the Dark Moon. You can see that I'm trading it on $200 account. And if I show you the history, you will see that it is trading only with 0.01. If I scroll, you will notice how many profitable trades there are. 0.02 at one moment, but overall it is not increasing the lots. You can see one more time 0.02, and if we arrange the trades according to the time they closed, and I'll scroll just a little bit lower, we will see that this trade with 0.02 was a recovery for the losing trades that we have above, and both closed over here. But for the time I'm testing this robot on a demo account, it didn't increase the lots more than 0.02, which makes it suitable even for a $200 account. And you can see how smoothly the balance line is going upwards on this demo account that we've been trading for 170 days. If I show you the stats, you will see an average monthly return of 3.5% and profit factor of 18.47, which is really unbelievable for a free expert advisor. And Ilan from my team started this free expert advisor on a small $200 live account, and after we saw the same great performance, so here it is, you can see again a few losing trades that were recovered, we decided to increase this account to 1,000 by adding 800 to the balance. So it's part of my 100k project, and if you check the results from the 100k project, you will see that now the Dark Moon is here and you can follow the track record at any moment. So initially it was a $200 account, and then we increased to 1,000 and it continued profiting. The second expert advisor is called Japan Strike EA. So this expert advisor I'm already trading on a few accounts. This is a $1,000 live account, and you can see that it already made some decent profits. Actually the result is $67, which is 6.7%. And I also have it on a 100k new account from DarwinX. I have it on a funded account with trading.com, also on a profit. I have it on a demo account for a bit longer, so this is also a $1,000 live account. And what you can notice is that this expert advisor adds to the position, but it does not increase the lots. It keeps trading with 0.01, and there are plenty of trades. You will notice that the profit here is $184. And if I show the statistics of that demo account, you will see the balance line. I will switch to the equity, and you will see that at that point there was a drawdown where the equity dropped down to $600, but it recovered. So it kept adding 0.01. It does not use an aggressive grid martingale system to risk the whole equity, but still there is a risk, of course, because it is adding to the position in order to recover the trades. And you can see that this account's been running for 66 days. Overall, the performance is promising. I have 8% monthly return with profit factor of 1.79. As I usually say, this is just more than enough. And we found this expert advisor on the website ProRobot EA, and here it is, the Japan Strike EA. If I show you their track record, you will see an amazing performance with over 1,313%. And I already said in another video that I'm really skeptical when I see such results from vendors. That is why I prefer to test the EAs myself. However, it turned out that this vendor has more promising expert advisors. I started trading the Euro stable Forex EA. If I show you the track record from the vendor, it is even more. And if you're also skeptical, just check out the track records down below in the description, because those are my track records, and I'll show it to you right in here. So this is relatively new demo account that we started. This expert advisor is trading the euro dollar. If I switch to the equity, you'll notice that there was was a drawdown, but nothing really to worry about. It was like $10 to $15 or something like that. It's been running just for 23 days. So by the time you are watching this video, there might be more results in the account, and it will be interesting for all of us to see how this expert advisor is performing. Again, 0.01 on all trades. It is not increasing the lots, and the average performance that FX Blue estimates is 5.5% with profit factor of 328. There is a third expert advisor we started trading. This is the multi-pair, this one over here. And again, there is a track record from the vendor. Again, very high numbers. And this is why I started testing this expert advisor myself. To be honest, I like this expert advisor more because it is trading multiple assets to diversify the risk. You can see that it is trading 5 different currency pairs. The most exposure is with the Euro CAD and with the Euro dollar. But you will see as a result of this diversification, there is a very smooth, balanced line. And one more time, let's see the performance. 1.3% with 1.54, and I want to test these expert advisors for a bit longer before I put them on live accounts. And before I show you the third expert advisor that is suitable for a small trading account, let's define what is a small trading account, because this is very important. For example, I consider small trading accounts to be the ones with equity below $1,000. And this is not because of the risk capital I have for my trading, but because of the expert advisors we are trading. So on the website, we divided the expert advisors in high tier, mid tier, and low tier expert advisors. So the low tier expert advisors can simply trade with amounts lower than $1,000, and the 1,000 is just the threshold for many expert advisors. And for example, if for you $200 is a small trading account, that's okay. You can trade comfortably with many expert advisors, but don't force yourself to trade with EAs such as Waka Waka or the Powerhouse, because these EAs require more capital, like 3 to 5K or even more. And if you trade such aggressive martingale systems like the Waka Waka, for example, on small account, it is very likely that you will blow the account, or there will be no enough margin to keep trading with this expert advisor. So decide which expert advisors you will be trading according to the risk capital you have. And of course, always consider trading accounts as a risky investment. And the third robot I'll be showing you today that is suitable for small trading accounts is the EAs from the top 10 robots app. And you can see that the Euro dollar EAs have been performing really well together with the pound dollar EAs. And just in the last 1 month, these two pairs made around 20%. If I show you the app, you can see that you can trade with initial amount of, let's say, $500, and you can decide how much you want to risk. If I stick to 1%, it gives you entry lot of 0.01, and it tells me that if the stop loss is hit, I would lose $3. With the second strategy, it would be 5. With the third, it would be 7, and so on. So with this app, it is very comfortable to decide the initial account size. If you increase it, let's say, to $1,000, and you decide to risk a little bit more, let's say 2%, you will notice that the entry lots change to 0.05. The stop loss would cost me $17 with the first strategy, and 18 with the second, 14 with the third. And for example, with this pound dollar account where I am trading a $500 account, you will see that initially it went up, down, now it is profitable in the recent market conditions, and it makes on average 6.5% a month. And for this account, I am using the top 3 strategies from the app that performed the best in the last 1 month. And because it works well, I'm starting a new live account with IC Markets because we found out that they have really tight spreads and good trading conditions for expert advisors. But this time I will place one of the prop firm robots app EAs, and to be precise, this will be the expert advisor that performed the best in the last 1 week. And at the time of recording this video, it is the dollar yen, and you can see that actually there are $2 yen expert advisors, 3 with this one. So I'm trading all of these robots on a demo account, and I track the performance, and the asset that performed the best in the last 1 week is usually what I use to trade on prop firms to pass challenges. But recently I stay away from prop firms. I open from time to time an account, I buy a challenge, but for the fun and to make fun of the prop firms when I pass challenges with EAs automatically, but I really want to invest more of my capital into live trading accounts. And because I want to diversify with more brokers, I am looking now at IC Markets, and I'm planning to open more accounts with them. They basically have 2 types of accounts. One is the raw spread account where we pay $3.5 per lot per side. The spread starts from 0, and the standard account where the spread starts from 0.8 and the commission is 0. So it's up to you what type of account you want to be trading. Usually I pick raw accounts. And of course, IC Markets is fully regulated broker. So I'll leave the link in the description if you want to test the broker with a live account or with a demo account. And I'll actually start 2 more live accounts with IC Markets for my 100K project. The first one will be with the Dark Venus, which is a free expert advisor from the Dark EAs that uses the Bollinger Bands indicator. And I have some steady results on the demo account. And the third live account, I'll start with the Dark Nova, which is trading the Aussie Cat, the Aussie New Zealand, and the New Zealand Cat. And this is a new EA from the Dark EAs. I really want to test it out because it also has some great real track record performance with a few small drawdowns. The fourth expert advisor is called Happy Forex. We have it on one of our demo accounts. It is a 10K trading account, and if I show it track record, this is the type of balance we want to see with every new account you start. But in this account, we are trading with 0.1 lots, and it's trading the Euro Swiss and the Aussie, but this is a 10K account. So if I put it on a small $1,000 account, it would be 0.01 lot. And let me show the expert advisor on the vendor's website, the same vendor that developed Happy Gold. One of the expert advisors I've shown quite a lot in my videos, and here is their track record. Yep, Happy Forex on a $1,000 live account, and you can see a very steady balance line going upwards. This track record started in 2022. On average, it makes about 2-3% a month, which one more time is what I'm looking for. And I already have it on a $1,000 live account, but it's a very new account. Like we started yesterday, so there is just an open trade, and you can follow the results at any moment on our website. The fifth expert advisor that really impressed me with its performance is the Dark Gold expert advisor that executed over 50 consecutive profitable trades. In one of our accounts, you can see that there are no losses and it is trading the same lot. But this is because in this account we have eliminated the grid trading. And we have it on a demo account where it is performing really well, but with the grid feature. And you can see that it increases the lots just once to recover a losing trade. And for me, it was really interesting to see how this expert advisor works. If you have missed the video, check it out on my side. Until then, I wish you safe trading, guys. Don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.